Right, morning all, welcome back. It's cold, it's wet, miserable. That's only means one thing, start winter, doesn't it? Winter season, rebuild. So other night we shifted the time machine out, so that's in trailer, that can go back down to Marco's, so give us a bit more space in here. My car there, and then this one here, so I need to get cracked on and start and do a bit now. So we've got this car to strip right down, started to look at getting a list together, what we need, bits, what we haven't got. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracked into this now and make a start with it. So plan is, like I said, got a list of stuff that we need. Got my spare engine that's to go to Ian's. Got them 2 bars to weld into the back, and yeah, let's get this all ready to go. So right, let's get cracked on. Here I am, come on, like a cry. Don't you feel like crying? Don't you feel like a cry, 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 cry?
So, as you've seen, a bit speeded up, but we got stuck in there, got it all stripped off, and looks alright, looks really, well, looks better than alright, looks really good underneath. Just going to give it a clean, if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, just a little bit mucky. where muck's just trapped in between floor pan and chassis. So give all this a good clean up, just give it a wipe over, just double check, make sure everything's alright, but it looks mint. So right, let's get cleaned up.
Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet. A movie star or maybe a common thief. Working at the car wash. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. At the car wash. Come on and work it with me. Working at the car wash, yeah. Some of this work gets kind of hard. This ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star.
Right, so as you'll see, I've chopped that hoop out as well. Give it a good clean. I sped it up. I did all underneath the car. Just give it all a wipe over. 2-3 jumpers on it. It's that blooming cold. So yeah, done all that. Bits and bats to take off still. And then that can probably go shot blasting then. Just front bumper to take off. Yeah, and get that hoop in, obviously, get that welded up. And then, yeah, I'll go shot blasting. So I've just been taking some pictures of some diffs and gearboxes and wheels that I had left from mod stock, so I'm going to put them up for sale later. Try and turn them back into brass. And yeah, so, right, see you in a bit. Right, so a few little jobs still got to lock up now, but just give other car a wipe over. Hey, grading's come out and we've maintained yellow as well, so going into next season as a yellow. I think I thought, to be fair, I thought averages wise and points last few meetings, I thought there was a chance of going up to blue, but I think on the final table I might have missed out by one. About 4 points, I think. Ryan Pallage has jumped from white up to blue, so congratulations. He just finished above me in points, so he's up to blue. So yeah, but so keep showing that side of wing, but it's still there. So yeah, but we have got another spare yellow wing if we wanted one. So, but yeah, I think we'll be getting a new wing anyway. So. For this one. So yeah, right, we'll leave it there for now. We've made a start, that's the main thing, and see you soon. Cheers.